What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we are going to be doing another mystery tackle box unboxing for you today. This is going to be the month of October, so let's dive right in. So like I said in the last video, and probably in a lot of other videos for mystery tackle box, the first thing you do get when you open up the box, you're going to get the Dibbles tips and tricks guide with what you got in the box and the amount of money that you have saved, and you're also going to get a sticker. I believe I said that in the last video, but going into what actually came in the box for the month of October, it's pretty interesting. I haven't gotten an assortment like this in a very long time. It probably has been around like 6 months since I got an assortment of baits like this in my mystery tackle box. But the first thing we're going to start with is the terminal tackle, and it is going to be so the first thing that we're going to go over is going to be the terminal tackle. It is going to be the Daiichi assorted hook set. It says they are the world's sharpest hooks. It looks like it comes with a 5/0 EWG hook, a 4/0 and a 3/0 EWG hook. I could be wrong because it doesn't have a list of what these hooks are. This is just off of my knowledge and by the looks of the hooks. These hooks are going to be great for Texas rigging, Senkos, creature baits, primarily Senkos just because they are an EWG hook, they're an offset worm hook, but you can get a little creative and throw on some creature baits as well. So next we have the Z-Man ChatterBait Bucktail by Mustad and Z-Man. It's going to be a black and blue chatterbait. It is a 3/8 ounce chatterbait with a feathered tail instead of a skirt. Now you could throw this by itself as a moving bait, but some good trails that you could use are grubs, ribbon tails, creature baits, even a Z-Man ribbit frog, just to give something that nice presentation underwater of mimicking a fish. So the next bait is actually a very interesting bait that I haven't really seen that many of. It's going to be the Booyah Prank by Ketchko. It is a topwater popper, but with a square bill, so you can also swim it as a wake bait. And I think that's really interesting and really innovative in this industry. I haven't really seen that many topwater / wake baits in stores. So this is actually going to be a very interesting lure to throw, and I'm very excited to use it in the water. So the next bait I got in my box is a Hard Hat Jigs Lumberjack Flipping Jig. It is going to be a 3/8 black and blue flipping jig, and I actually got a Hard Hat Jigs in the last months of Mystery Tackle Box. And if you guys haven't seen that video already, I will leave it linked down below, and I will also leave it at the end of this video. So another great thing with flipping jigs is that I love to throw them with a trailer. I usually like to throw a black and blue Kraken Crawl by Guggen Baits or a Bandito Bug, and sometimes even to give it a larger profile, I'll throw a black and blue Trench Hog. But right now, transitioning from summer into fall, I do like to slim down the profile of the lure I'm throwing, since those bass are going to be pushing up shallow, and now that they're feeding for the winter time, the transition is going to be awkward, because there will be days where they're busting your bait, but there are going to be other days where they are going to be lethargic because they just filled up on those shad. I usually go with the Lunker Hunt topwater frog just because I think it is a great quality built frog. I really haven't had any issues with them, and I know they make a select line of frogs. You have the wake bait frogs. It's actually kind of more of a popper frog. They have the traditional style popwater frog, but this one by Chase Bait, it is called the Bobbin Frog, and it's got real arm and leg action. It's as realistic to a frog as you can get without throwing a real frog on the water. It's gonna be very interesting to see how this works compared to a regular topwater frog by Lunker Hunt. I will do a comparison next time I go out fishing between this Chase Bait's Bobbing Frog and regular topwater frog. So the last bait that I got in this month of October's Mystery Tackle Box is the Great Lakes Agitator Rattle Trap bait. It is bluegill pattern, so this is gonna be very great to throw, especially in this transition to fall. In some bodies of water, the bass are feeding on bluegill to stock up for the winter, and a lot of other bodies of water they are feeding on shad. Primarily in bodies of water around me, the primary food source is shad. But that doesn't mean I can't get a bite with this bait, and it's definitely gonna be one of the top baits I have in my arsenal in this transition from summer to fall. I really hope you enjoyed this month's review of Mystery Tackle Box. I will leave their link in the description below to subscribe to Mystery Tackle Box. I said in my last video, I paid $28.99 a month for Mystery Tackle Box, and I get $40 worth of lures. And it is an incredible deal that you guys should all be a part of. It saves you time and money and a headache from trying to pick out what kind of bait to buy and throw in that transition from summer to fall, because they do it all for you. So with that said, guys, please make sure to smash that like button, leave a comment if you guys enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you guys haven't already. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching this review of Mystery Tackle Box, and I'll see you guys next time.